Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CSwithRahul. In today's video, I'm going to cover another question. Here you will see some new methods. So this question is also related to the sorting, which we will use here to solve this method. So our question is, we have to find out the second largest number, means whatever the number we have given in the array list, we need to find out the second largest number. So we will see here which kind of methods and what kind of logic we will use to perform, but we have to keep in mind that we will solve this question by using the Java 8 Stream API only. So without delay, let's get started. So what is our question? We have to find out the second largest number. Second largest number means what? If we have some numbers in our array list like 45, 12, 56, 15, 24, 75, 31, 89. So whatever the second largest number is there, that we have to find out. So before this, one important thing I have to tell to you, that I have created the playlist in my YouTube channel. Like, I have explained this question in English as well as in Hindi also, and I have covered some of the concept through the Java shorts. So that Java shorts is also currently in Hindi. Slowly I will cover it in the English language also. So if you are comfortable in whatever language, you can go to my playlist and you can watch the video. And one important request to you, that if you're liking my video, then do hit the like button, share these videos to your friends who are preparing for the interview or who are the Java aspirants. As well as I am going to slowly cover some different terminologies, technologies also in this my YouTube channel. And one more important thing is that please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that the latest update you will get immediately. So without delay, let's see how can we solve this type of question. So what we need to think, first of all, we need to create one array list. So what I'll do here, I will create a list of integer, I am creating here. List, I am giving the name arrays dot as list. Then I am providing some numbers here in the array list like 45, 12, 56, 15, 45, 12, 56, 15, and 24, 75, 24, 75, 31, 89. So this we will see that how can we find out the second largest number, right? So we are not going to do any approach which is related to the previous legacy methods, previous for loops. What we will do, if we are using the stream API, right? So how can we solve this? So first of all, I am creating result or second largest number, second largest number I am providing here. Next, I am creating, how we have to think about it. So first I am doing what? First I am creating the stream of the integer, right? Whatever the list is there, I am creating the stream. After creating the stream, what should be my focus? That if there are multiple numbers, right? So we have to do what? Find out the make the distinct list, means unique list. So I'm calling the distinct method which will eliminate the duplicates, right? After that, what we need to do, after that we have to sort it, right? We have to sort it, but I am sorting on which basis? We have to find out the largest number. So anyhow our number should be arranged in the descending order. In this way you have to think, right? So to arrange the descending order, what can I do? I can call like comparator dot reverse order. This method I can call. So whatever the district number will be generated by the district method, then after calling this sorted method, I am providing this comparator dot reverse order. It will be arranged in which order? It will be arranged in descending order. Then what I have to do? Then I have to find out the second number, not the first number. So what I'll call like skip. How many numbers, how many elements I need to skip? One. So I am skipping one. Then I am calling the find first method. I am calling find first, means after skip one, whatever the first element, right? Whatever the first element we have to do, that we will do it. Then what I have to do? I have to call this get method, right? So here this is the logic, that how can you sort these method, right? How can you solve this question to find out the second largest number? Let me print it, system dot out dot println. See, currently this type of questions are very easy question, but it will help you to keep in mind which type of method is doing what. Second largest number. This is the second largest number. Let me save it. Then right click. After the right click, run as Java application. So here you can see whatever the number which is 75 is the second largest number here, right? If I am providing 89 two times, then what will be the output? Then again I am executing this code, and the number is 75, because we have eliminated the repeated numbers by the district method. So I hope you are getting these concepts. So I request you to just watch the video. If you don't understand, then watch the video again, then practice it yourself, then the concept will be easy for you. So you have to do the practice once again after watching this video. So guys, if you are liking my video, if you are watching my videos, you are getting some concept, then please like this video, share this video to your friends, comment if you have any doubt or you want to cover some topics, then definitely I will cover these uh, topics, whatever you will ask in my comment. And then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for my current updates, current uploads. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, keep coding. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.